Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Okay, Queens, I'll share you now how I created and made my own memberships in YouTube channel. So, first, if you're using a phone, actually even it's an Android or a iPhone or whatsoever phone that you're using, as long as you have the Google Chrome application, this one, you can actually do it in your phone. So let's click first the Google Chrome. There you go. Then as you can see, let's make it in a landscape position. And here, let's click the YouTube. There, youtube.com. Then while waiting, let's click the three dots above this one. Then request for desktop site. Find the request desktop site, this. Then click it. Then after, as you can see, it's already on desktop site. Click your channel here, this one. Click this and you go to your YouTube studio. This YouTube studio. After that, you find the monetization symbol or the $sign, this one. Or you can actually click this one to make it wide, like this. Okay, click it. Then you look for monetization. So as you can see, the $sign with monetization, then click it. Okay, while waiting, look at here. We have here overview, memberships, and supers. Overview is the overview of your channel. You have here the AdSense and tutu and so forth. So for the memberships, guys, this would be our vlog for today. It's about the membership. So as we click here, as you can see, it's already in the 75% complete. If it will complete up to 100%, guys, you can actually turn on your memberships to allow your fans to pay a monthly fee and get access to members only badges, emoji, and perks. So take your time and don't rush the setup process, because before you launch, you need to agree the terms and conditions for this. Okay, so let's go down. As you can see, guys, I already set up my memberships offer. So I have here already 4 levels and it's already been approved by YouTube. But I'm gonna share to you guys how did I make it so that it will be easier for you to create your own memberships also. So I have here 4 levels: the warrior, elite, legend, and divine. So as you can see on the right side, it has monthly price, or let's see the monthly prices of each level. So let's tackle about that later on. So as I gonna click the edit here, the button, and as you can see here, so let's see first how it really works. So in creating perks for each membership level, guys, it come up with unique perks that reward members. So the perks you offer will affect who joined and at what level. So we have here offering at least 3 price levels as shown to boost revenue. Example, low level for 20 baht to 65 baht. And by the way, guys, it's on THB, or let's say baht or Thai baht, because I'm here in Thailand. So it's up to you where is your YouTube channel located, or where did you chose to locate your channel. And that's it. So it has here use help from YouTube or third-party tools and services to help you deliver your perks. So upload loyalty badges and emoji, upload videos and set them to members only. Post on any level in your channel's community tab. Set chat to members only in your public live streams. Live stream with members. So need inspiration? See Jessica Cordon Fozard, Quick Graph, and Nitin Baithia. So in my first level, guys, the warrior, let's click it. I have here the warrior, or the level name of our first level, and our monthly price for this is 35 baht, the cheapest one, because we're still on the level 1. So still my country here is in Thailand. So the perks starts with loyalty badges next to your name in comments and live chat. Second, custom emoji to use in comments and live chat. So I have here custom emojis, guys. I made this and created by my own. So I'm gonna share with you later on in my next vlog about how I created my custom emoji for my memberships. I only use one application for this, guys. This is one of the hardest thing that YouTubers find it difficult to create. So next is channel's name and link on the description box. So let's click it. So this would be the title of our perk, guys. Channel's name and link on the description box. So the description is your channel's name and link will be written on that description box. And the instructions, I will write your channel's name and link on the description box in every video. So that's it for the warrior level. Next is the elite. Click it. So in our second level, the elite, we have here the monthly price 50 baht. And same country, Thailand. The first perks is we can access to perks from previous level. The perks from the warrior level, guys. So we have here the channel's name and links in the description box. Shoutouts in videos. In shoutouts in video, guys, it says here as a description that YouTube channel's name shoutout in every video. So the instructions would be, I'll shout out your channel's name in every video I'll create. Okay, then next perk is shoutouts to my Facebook page. It means that share your link to my Facebook page, which I'm going to share your channel's link in my Facebook page and share your newly uploaded videos. And that's it for the elite. For our third level, let's say the legend. So we have here the third level, guys, which is the legend. The monthly price is 100 baht. And same Thailand, perks starts with access to perks from previous levels, channel's name and link on the description box, shoutouts in videos. Next is photos and status updates. So let's click what is it all about. What is it all about? So going to share your latest videos in my community every now and then. I'll share the link of your videos in my community every time you upload a new video, guys. Okay. And last perk is shoutouts in my Facebook page. And that's it for the legend level. And last level is the divine, guys, the highest level of our memberships. Okay, so let's click it. The level name is divine. Monthly price 150 baht. Country Thailand. Perks access to perks from previous levels. Channel's name and links on the description box. Shoutouts in videos, photos and status updates. Shoutouts in my Facebook page. And last perk is connecting on social media. What is it all about? So let's click it. It means I'll connect you with all my social media accounts. And the instructions would be, I'll follow all your social media accounts and shout out your channel's link. And that's it. So that would be our 4 levels of memberships, guys. So that's so cheap, guys. So please, if you have time or extra time with me, please let's connect and be one of my members queens. And let's go next, because as you can see, I already submitted it to YouTube and he already uploaded approved it. So YouTube partner already approved our membership levels. So let's go next to the next step. Let's have here the upload badges and emoji, guys. As you can see, it's already done because I already uploaded my badges and emoji. So let's click the edit. So in these upload badges and emoji, guys, as you can see, when you say upload your badges, in this part of our channel, members get a special badge next to their usernames for comments and live chat on your channel. So it's like how we could recognize our loyal fans. We have the badges that will going to change the longer they're a member. So we have here upload my own or use generic YouTube badges. I didn't upload my own, so I just click the use generic YouTube badges, guys. As you can see, membership duration and preview. Here for new member, we have this color of the badges. It's like a dark green, and after a month, it's like a blue green, or let's say a blue. And after 2 months, color yellow. After 6 months, orange. After 12 months, pink. And after 24 months, color red. And next is for the emoji. Upload your emoji. Emoji are fun graphics that members can use in live chat and comments on your videos. Upload ones that help fans express emotions, reactions, or share inside jokes. So your emoji will appear in the emoji picker. Your members can also use emoji in comments and live chat by typing colon immediately before and after the emoji name. For example, if the emoji name is wow, members can type colon wow colon to make it appear. And one thing for important, guys, very important, is that it supported formats GIF, PNG, and JPG only. So with a minimum size of 32 by 32 pixels, upload size less than 1 MB, and aspect ratio 1:1. So I have here 4 emojis, guys, as you can see. I have the emoji names: hello, shout out, I love you, and like. So I already selected images for this emoji, and I'm gonna share with you how did I edit and create my own emojis, guys, that will actually fit to the supported formats and uploaded size of the emojis in YouTube memberships. So as you can see, I only have 4 because I still don't have a members, because we can only add more emoji or gain more emojis if we can gain more members. So as you gain more members, you can upload and share even more emoji. And that's it. So for advanced, guys, create a unique family name. I click it and check it, click it, so members can use this family name to quickly autocomplete your emoji while typing. So as I call my friends and families with my YouTube channel as Queens, and that's it. And I already save it, guys, so that's it. Queens, let's go cancel first. And the third one is you need to announce your memberships. Here in this area, you need to explain membership in your own words. So viewers will want to know why you've decided to offer memberships and what's in it for them. We recommend you do a standalone video. You can also do a live stream if that fits your channel better. So in this area, guys, you can see how we're going to make your video to create a unique video for your members, or how will you promote your memberships in your channel, guys. So because I'm not yet done with making the video, I'm gonna click first, not now. Next, last but not the least, is post to welcome new members, guys. Create some members only post giving a warm welcome to your biggest fans. Posting regularly from your channel's community tab is a great way to keep members coming back month after month. So that's it, guys. As I said a while ago, if this would complete up to 100%, then that will be the time your join button or the membership button will automatically turn on. Okay, and that's it, Queens. I hope it will be easy for you now to create and make your memberships in your YouTube channel.